Hello friends, so this is a grade 10 IB board on the question sheets. So today we will discuss, a circle theorem. So we have a discuss earlier also. So in this part we are going to discuss what is a circle theorem. Use the property of tangents and then chords to solve this problem, and use the circle theorem to solve the problems. Tangent, what is tangent? It's a diameter, you already know, and this is a chord. When you connect 2 points on the circle, that is called chord. And when tangent, any line which touches 1 point on the circle, that is called chord. Here it's a tangent basically, and that is a 90 point. So tangent always touch 1 point of the intersection. Here is 2 point of intersection, this is 2 point of the intersection but passes through the center. So property 1, a tangent to circle touches the circle at 1 point. The angle between a tangent and radius is always the right angle. So it's a OAP is right angle. Here OAP you can see that is a 90 degree. And property 2, the two tangent drawn from a point P outside to a circle equal in length. Yani AP equal to PB. You can see, because P is a external point, and from there are two tangent PB and PA. So PB and PA are equal. We also know this. And this question you can see in the given O is the center of radius 5. AP is tangent to the circle at A, and AP equal to 15. AP is 15 and O is, so this will be 90 degree, and the radius is 5. So we have to find what? Calculate the length of OP and the size of the angle AOP. AOP. So this angle we have to find. Okay, and also length of OP, this length. So this will be hypotenuse in right angle triangle, so that we can calculate how. It's a 15 square plus 5 square equal to OP square, and OP square equal to what? It's a 250. So OP is 15.8 centimeter square when you take the under root. Okay, and tan AOP is 15 by 5. So tan AOP is a tan inverse 15 by 5, and which will be the 71.1 degrees Celsius. Okay, and B, area of the triangle AOB, it's a half into base into height. So we have a half, base is 15 and height is 5, so it is 37.5 centimeter square. And what will be the sector? Sector area OAB. AOB, it's an angle, that is this one, and theta upon 360 to pi r square. We have a formula. So theta is how much? Angle is formed 71.6 degree, and that is 360, and this is a 15.6. And shaded region, area of the triangle AOP and area of the sector OAB, that is 37.5 minus 15.6, it's a 29.6 centimeter square. I hope that's clear. And if we are going to calculate this question, O is the center of the circle and AP is tangent to the circle, calculate the level of X. So this is also 90 degree, and here it is hypotenuse, and this is 4. So X will be how much? X will be under root 10 square minus 4 square. Okay, it's 100 minus 16. So how much? It's 84. And this one, this is a 90 degree. So hypotenuse we have to find. So it's a x square equal to 80 square plus 17 square. Okay, so x is how much? We have to find 64 plus 289. Okay, and this way we can calculate also. 9 plus 4 3 or 15, and 2 3, this one. Okay, and in this part we have to calculate these angles, and so this is a 90 degree, and for this is a, what, it's a base, and this is a hypotenuse for this angle, because it's a hypotenuse, and this will be the perpendicular, and this is adjacent side. So we can take as a cos theta. cos x equal to how much? It's 8 upon 18. So x equal to cos inverse 8 by 18. Like that we can calculate. Here also in this angle, this is the adjacent side and this is a perpendicular. So perpendicular upon base, we can take tan x. Tan x is a 9 by 3. So x equal to, that is a tan inverse 9 by 3. Okay, I hope that's clear. And in this question, sided region you have to find. Okay, so first we need to find the area of this triangle. O is the center of the circle, AP is a tangent to circle, OA is a 12, OP is 12. This is hypotenuse is 12 and AP is 10. AP is 10. So we can find the what? OA. OA first we need to calculate the radius. Okay. Then AOP, 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 this angle they are asking. And area of the triangle OAP, half into base into 5 we will apply, and then we will calculate the sided area. Sided area is what? Triangle area minus sector area. Okay, when we calculate, then we are able to find that those area. So thank you for now. We will cover this third part in the next video. So if you like, please subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you so much guys. Have a great day.